Women, y'all wear y'all attitude on y'all face.
On that face.
And no matter how much you want to say, oh, I ain't nothing wrong with me or my attitude, it's there.
It's still showing.
We can see it.
It's all day.
Not only can we see it, we
feel
also feel it.
Like shit.
Y'all energy is so fucking heavy. You could take it and cut it with a knife. You will fill the room up with your energy and make everybody feel down. Because you're not feeling good.
Yep.
You will come in the room and suck all of the great energy out of the room. You are a woman. You are feminine. You are supposed to be within your own. When we look at y'all, we look at y'all to feel great about us.
Yep.
And the way y'all make us feel great about us is when y'all are feminine, when y'all are soft,
Yep.
when y'all are compassionate,
Yep.
when y'all are understanding.
Yep.
Those are the things that men want from a woman. Other than that,
I don't want no man. I think like me.
you with a man if that's the case.
Don't think like you. That's
Don't-
why God make you.
When Steve Harvey told y'all that, he was lying. He was a lying ass bitch.